How to disable recommended videos on YouTube app. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can disable recommended videos on YouTube application. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the YouTube application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Here, YouTube doesn't have a built-in features to completely disable recommended videos in the application, but there are some other ways to limit or control what appears in your recommendation. So, here are some of the effective methods. First one, you can clear your watch or search history. For that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Here, under your history, tap on View All. Now, under this, tap on three dot icon from the top right corner, and from here tap on Clear All Watch History, or you can also tap on Pause Watch History. Now, the second method is to use Incognito Mode. For that, tap on your profile picture again from the bottom right corner, and on this page, if you scroll this menu bar under your profile name to your left, there is Turn on Incognito. You can select that. This prevents YouTube from collecting data during the session, meaning recommendation will be less personalized. And the next method is to mark the video as not interested. So from your home page, you can simply tap on three dot icon next to that video, and here there you have two options to select from: one, not interested, and the second one, not a recommend channel. So any video from this channel will not be recommended in your For You page or in your home page anymore. So these are all the methods which can help you reduce or control the impact of the recommended videos in your account or in your home page. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.